Hello everyone, I am Srikakulam from GMRITIAN'S Institute of Technology, specialized in information technology. So today I and my friend came here to explain our idea about named as Food for All. So the role in this project is I am a team leader and Android developer.
Myself, Sai Kiran. I am also an Android developer. I am pursuing my BTech at GMR Institute of Technology, specialized in information technology.
So when coming to the problem statement, the problem statement what we are doing, what we are dealing is, as we know that India is the second most populous country, and we are having a population of 1.3 billion. But when coming to hunger index, we know that hunger deaths are many more in our country because of a food. When coming to the real time example, we can analyze that many people are undernourished. No, many people are not having a food. What we noticed is when coming to function halls or any functions or restaurants, most of the food is wasted. So we took the problem statement from the real time example. So when coming to the gap analysis, according to the FAO, many people are undernourished because of many people are not even having a food to eat. So this is the main problem, even what we explain. So many million people are undernourished in India. And when coming to the use case, the solution and use case what we are doing is users or donors can donate the food and they can celebrate their occasions or anything. They just what they have to do is they should give the address and food details, and once it is given, volunteers get notified and they will be going to that place and they will be taking the food and distributing to the poor and needy. So this is the solution and use case. And
And these are the target customers. Like the food for all will be used based all these customers since households, restaurants, hostel mess, and event managers. Like this is the main places where the food gets wasted in a larger amount. So like we can use food for all at these places. So coming to the benefits to the customer, see, like food wastage can be avoided, and what we like by donating the food, like the donors will get the self satisfaction, like they were giving food to the poor people, so they will be getting some self satisfaction, and we can eradicate the deaths caused due to hunger also, and we can eradicate the chronic diseases caused due to hunger. So that are the benefits caused. And uniqueness or key feature. The main uniqueness or key feature for the food for all we have identified is nearby NGOs. Like I think we know, like we hardly know about the nearby NGOs. Like so, by using food for all, we can donate the food. Like due to some time constraint, we couldn't go to the nearby NGO and we couldn't and directly donate the food. But here, food for all, we can simplify it. Like by giving, by like in the place of volunteer will be coming to our home and he will be picking up the food and will be sent directly to the NGO or the nearby poor people. And donors can donate money. Like we all think like we need to celebrate our occasions in or birthdays or marriages in the NGOs itself, but we couldn't donate. So we can directly donate the money in the Food for All app. So like we'll be sending the money to the NGOs or the poor people, so they can have it. And like Food for All has an exclusive feature, like we'll be concentrating on the safety of the volunteer itself. And this is the process flow diagram. This is the master plan behind the Food for All app. Here, first, initially the donor will be submitting the food details in the app itself. When he clicked on the submit button, a notification will be generated and it will be sent to all the NGOs and all the volunteers who are registered in the app itself. So the volunteers, what the volunteers will be doing is they will be choosing the food details as per the address. Like the for example, the volunteer address is nearby to the donor's address. Like the volunteer will book the food details and he will be going to the donor and he will be picking up the food and will be sent to the NGO or the nearby poor people lying on the roads or any bridges, flyovers. Okay. So these are the screenshots of the mobile application what we had developed. So coming to the next slide. So these are some screenshots of the mobile application. Now I'm going to give a live demonstration of our application Food for All. So let me present on my screen. So this is the app icon Food for All. So okay, this is the main activity of our mobile application. So coming to the like these are the some of the features which we have included. So coming to the make donation. So when the user clicks on the make donation, So when the user clicks on the make donation, so he can give some details here. So the name of the donor, so the phone number, where the donor needs to get contacted. So the particular address of the donor, the address need to be very specific, since the volunteer should not so he can easily come to the food house. So here, like, we have added an additional feature, like the donor can send food. Along with food, like, he can pick up the clothes, essential items, and money also. So he can give clothes also along with the food to the poor people. So the cook before, and the type of place, like what's the type of place of the house, and clicking on the submit details button, so an OTP will be sent to the particular donor. So based upon the donor gets validated whether it is a valid phone number or not. So by clicking on it, automatically the OTP gets detected. So by clicking on the valid OTP, the OTP will be validated, and if it is okay, so it will show you a dialog box, and the simultaneously notification will be sent to all the users of the app. So it will be showing as a donation, thank you for your donation. So the donation gets placed. So so this is the donation, like here, so this notification will be sent to all the users. So this will get notified to all the volunteers, like someone placed the donation, and so based upon the address, the volunteers will whether it is their intention whether to want to pick up your food or else not. So if it is nearby, so the volunteer gets pick up the food from your address. So as a volunteer, I can check how many donations got placed. So this is the donation just now placed, like I have placed now, like 0 minutes ago. So for example, if the the volunteer is ready to pick up your food, so based on your address, so he will click on the ready button. So it will ask you a dialog box confirmation. So after, if everything is okay, so it will show you a dialog box like thank you for your interest. So after clicking OK button, so the volunteer need to acknowledge to the donor, so that is that he is going to come to your house to pick up your food. So the donor gets acknowledged. So coming to here, so to use the access of the volunteer, we have given option like if we click on the phone number, so he will be redirected to the dialer, and if we click on the address, so he will ask about the maps. So coming, so that's it. So here these are the additional options, like coming to the celebrate your occasion. So here the donor get any person can celebrate their occasion, like the birthday, graduation, new baby. So after clicking on here, so they will be asking the money. So they will submit the money, and we will collect the money from you, and we will submit the donation to the particular NGO. So these are some additional features listed in our app. So thank you for giving this wonderful opportunity.